In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Gmail using a straightforward, step-by-step guide. Whether you're sending marketing emails or simply want to add a professional touch to your messages, having clickable buttons can make your communication more interactive and engaging. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is your go-to location for discovering and adding extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Gmail button by CloudHQ extension. This is a handy tool specifically designed for integrating button functions right into your Gmail account. Click to add this extension to your Chrome browser. You might be prompted to confirm your decision, so just follow through with whatever permissions the extension requires. Once added, this tool becomes a part of your Gmail interface, enhancing its capabilities with just a few clicks. Now that you have the extension, let's navigate to Gmail. Open up Gmail as you normally would and log in if necessary. Once you're in, locate the Compose button. It's typically found on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. Clicking on this will open a new email composition window, the canvas on which you will create and design your message. With your new email window open, you can proceed to write out your email content as you usually would. After drafting your message, direct your attention to the toolbar near the Send button. There you should see a new icon representing the Insert button feature provided by CloudHQ. This icon makes it easy to insert interactive elements into your emails. Click on the Insert button icon. A new window will pop up, allowing you to customize your button. Here is where you'll input the text you want displayed on your button. This could be something simple like "click here," or more specific like "read more info." Additionally, you will need to enter the URL where you intend the button to redirect. This could be a landing page, a product, or any web address pertinent to your email content. Customization doesn't stop there. You can also personalize the button's appearance by adjusting elements such as color, border width, and style. This allows you to match the button to your message theme or company branding. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click OK. This action inserts the button directly into your email draft, making it instantly ready for sending. With everything in place, all that's left to do is hit your familiar Send button, and off your email goes, complete with a fully functional, clickable button. And there you have it, the seamless creation of a clickable button in Gmail, right from setup to customization and sending. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your email communication more engaging. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips.